So the deal is that the one who wears the hat calls the play. Obviously that's me now, but it can change. The number that I need you to have in mind is 8. And the way we're going to keep 8 in our heads is with our feet. 1, 2.
I felt really like I was getting a lot of instructions, and it was kind of like, yeah, not somewhere between kids music class and aerobic class, so I had to really pay attention and follow all of the steps and like watch what everybody's doing, watch this leader. And the only thing in my head was, I don't like this like power structure, but I knew that I could also have the hat. So I left it and let it go and continued in the power, like in this thing of following and being told what to do.